Hello planner friends and welcome back to my channel. So this week we are doing, this is the fourth week of July, and I had some ideas that I had written down here, but just like last week, I am not going to go with these ideas. So what I had was wine and cheese, junk food, and summer and hammock. One of them is a hammock day. There's a wine and cheese day. And summer, the hammock also falls under the summer leisure day on the 22nd. But I'm not going to do any of those. What I wanted to do was I wanted to use up some of the sticker books that I have. So a couple of the books I bought from Michaels, and these were buy one, get two free. So of course, couldn't pass it up. So I'm gonna look through these. This one is a little brighter. This one's a little more muted. I'm not exactly sure what I want. I know I don't want the green because it's a little too green for me, but there's some really pretty stuff in there. I was hoping to go for more of like pinks and purples, kind of something like this maybe. Vases, I like those. These are really pretty. They go with the other ones. Some really big boxes that I like too. Let's see. Oh, and there's flowers to match. Oh, and it's pink. You guys know how much I love pink. So this might have to be it. Look at how beautiful these are. I love them. Okay, so there's option one, and let's look at the other one really quick. There's some really dark stickers in here, which I like, but I feel like they're a little more fall-like. And then I like these because there's oranges and orange blossoms, and July is National Orange Blossom Month, I think. So I might use those. There's plenty of boxes too. But if I use that, I think it's only, yeah, it's only these 2 pages. I mean, there's plenty of stuff to choose from. So that's a possibility. I know I don't want to do cactus stuff. I want to do flower stuff. Maybe butterflies. This book is a little more muted, which I kind of like. But it also doesn't feel super summery. It's a little more spring, I think. Okay, now we're gonna go with the first choice. So let's make everything pink and beautiful. Let's get rid of this thing because we don't need it. All right, let's get started.